Hello, we're back immediately with this ML1 Modern Standard. Notice no string trees on here, look. Boop. It's got a slight neck tilt angle instead. Nice big volute here. And I was just thinking the neck on this as well. It's nice. It's a 13.78 inch radius, but doesn't really feel it. It's not too chunky. Not too chunky. It's just got a lovely feel to it, a lovely sound. Give the tone pot a go. Tracks pretty well. Put out a tune, just straight out the box. So, for me, wonderful, comfortable, lovely to play. 24 frets, not for everybody. Love the look of that finish, love the sound of those pickups. £262, that is ludicrous. I think Andertons, I've got these at the moment new for, there might be these on sale. $3.99 maybe, don't know. Anyway, well worth it. Let me know what you think.